I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare PQQ versus NMN. We'll explore their unique roles in cellular health and how they differ. PQQ, or pyrroloquinoline quinone, is a powerful antioxidant that supports new mitochondrial growth. NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, is a direct precursor to NAD+, a vital coenzyme for energy production and DNA repair. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right supplement for your health goals. PQQ offers several key benefits, primarily by enhancing mitochondrial health. It stimulates the growth of new mitochondria, which are your cell's powerhouses, boosting overall energy. Beyond that, PQQ is a strong antioxidant, shielding your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research also suggests it supports brain health and may improve memory and focus, making it a valuable compound for cellular vitality. NMN's primary role is to elevate NAD+ levels within your cells. NAD+ is critical for hundreds of cellular processes, including converting food into energy and repairing damaged DNA. By increasing NAD+, NMN helps maintain youthful cellular function, supporting healthy aging. It's also linked to improved metabolic health, better cardiovascular function, and enhanced muscle endurance, making it a popular choice for overall wellness. When deciding between PQQ and NMN, consider their distinct mechanisms. PQQ primarily supports the growth of new mitochondria, enhancing your cell's energy production capacity. NMN, on the other hand, focuses on increasing NAD+ levels, which is crucial for DNA repair and maintaining cellular integrity. Both are beneficial, but target different aspects of cellular health. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your choice depends on your specific health goals and what you aim to optimize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.